Ensuring your generator is in top working condition requires more than just periodic inspections. It demands routine fluid sampling and analysis to catch early signs of potential issues. Here's why each type of fluid sampling is critical for establishing baselines and detecting internal problems before they lead to costly failures. By performing oil analysis, you can detect early signs of wear, contamination, and other issues that might lead to engine trouble. This proactive approach allows you to monitor the condition of your generator's engine, ensuring it operates smoothly and efficiently. Routine oil sampling helps establish a baseline for your equipment's performance, making it easier to identify deviations that could signal developing problems. Incorporating regular oil sampling into your maintenance plan not only prevents unexpected breakdowns, but also extends the life of your generator. Regular analysis of coolant can reveal issues such as contamination, corrosion, and degradation, which can lead to overheating and potential engine failure. By detecting these problems early, you can address them before they escalate, ensuring your generator runs efficiently and reliably. Establishing a routine for coolant sampling allows you to track the health of your cooling system over time, making it easier to pinpoint and rectify any anomalies. This preventive measure not only extends the lifespan of your generator, but also avoids costly generator repairs and downtime. Regular analysis of fuel quality can detect contaminants, water, and microbial growth that could impair performance and cause significant damage. By performing routine fuel sampling, you can identify and mitigate potential issues before they result in engine malfunctions or failures. This practice helps maintain the quality of your fuel supply, ensuring your generator remains operational when you need it most. Establishing a baseline through consistent fuel sampling enables you to spot deviations quickly, preventing unexpected breakdowns and extending the life of your equipment. The NFPA 110 requires fuel sampling for diesel generators to be performed at least annually. Routine fluid sampling is a critical component of generator maintenance, allowing you to catch problems early and avoid the high costs associated with component failures. By partnering with Weld powered generator, you can ensure your equipment remains in excellent condition through regular oil, coolant, and fuel sampling. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive generator maintenance services and how we can help you maintain optimal performance.